my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome Tabata routine. You're gonna love it, so let's get into it. Alrighty, so what makes it Tabata is we're gonna be doing 20 seconds of work with 10-second rest periods in between, all right? So first exercise on the clock, we have a squat extension. Feet are hip width apart. You're gonna go ahead, squat, and then you're gonna extend all the way up, reach up while controlling your rib cage, making sure it's nice and closed. We're not going like this, all right? Just extending up and then squat again. Extend, squat, all right? In the extension, if you wanna level up a little bit, you can do a calf raise. So calf raise, squat. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Those 10 seconds of rest, but I want a working rest, all right? So go ahead, step side to side. Breathe, stretch arms, and 3, 2, 1. Moving on to modified burpees. Do not run away, all right? You're gonna reach up, touch the ground, and then step out into a plank, and then step back up and come back up. If that is too much for you, no worries. Go ahead and just reach up and touch your toes, or you can go ahead and do a good morning. So we're gonna go open, the only time you can open your rib cage, open, and then reach through your legs here, right? And 3, 2, 1, and 10 seconds of rest. Very good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Curtsy lunges for 20 seconds. All right. Arms out to the side or up or on your hips. Your legs are gonna come behind you. Curtsy lunge, and then step into the other side. Very good. Breathing. Awesome job. Giving your all in these 20 seconds. Alrighty. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Active rest. Breathing. You can even walk around your room a little bit. All right, do some hops, a little boxer bounce. We got some active rest here, right? A little bouncy, stretch, breathe, and moving on to fast high knees, all right? Fast high knees. Boom, 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 boom. If jumping is not an option for you, no worries. Go ahead and just do high knees as fast as you can, or at your own pace. That's the beauty of 20 seconds, all right? Very good. Big breath, and 3, 2, 1, and those 10 seconds of active rest. Very good. 8, 9, 7, there we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we have it. Set 1 of our calorie burning Tabata routine. Go ahead, take a second, grab some water, catch your breath, and we're doing it again. Alrighty, set number 2, you know what to do, so I zip it, we just go straight through the routine. Starting with our squat extensions, 20 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, active rest. 3, 2, 1, modified burpees or good mornings. And 3, 2, 1. I went for some real burpees there at the end. You can try it too. All right, active rest. 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Curtsy lunges. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Active rest. Fast high knees in 3, 2, 1, or regular knees. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. One more active rest. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. Celebrate in 3, 2, 1. There we have it. 2 sets done and dusted. Great job. Take a second, reset, catch your breath, drink some water, and then we're going to crush set number 3. And 3, 2, 1. Active rest. Three, 2, 1. Modified burpees or good mornings. And 3, 2, 1. I went for some real burpees there at the end. You can try it too. All right, active rest. 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Curtsy lunges. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Active rest. Fast high knees in 3, 2, 1, or regular knees. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. One more active rest. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth. Celebrate in 3, 2, 1. There we have it. Alrighty, and that was it. 3 sets of your calorie burning, heart racing Tabata routine. Hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you thought, which exercise is your favorite, where are you tuning in from, where are you from? I'm here in West Palm Beach, Florida. Let me know if I have any fellow Floridians looking. And if you haven't already, what are you doing? Click subscribe, click the bell, because I can't wait to see you until the next one. Mwah.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.